By day, the sun works hard for your home. But if that power cannot be stored, at night, every appliance can turn into a little monster, quietly devouring Jean's money. Mark wants higher self-consumption, but worries his inverter may not be compatible. Facing changing policies, Lucas finds home energy upgrades expensive and complicated. SolarFlow 4000 Mix AC Plus, solving all these pain points. Plug and play. By day, more free solar energy is stored. By night, it releases power without holding back. A vast choice of dynamic electricity tariffs, including ZenWave, automatically storing power when prices are low. 15 years of companionship, long-lasting returns and protection. ZENKI Agent, your best energy manager. Smart forecasting and energy scheduling made effortless. Even peak demand is covered. Refrigerator, washing machine, juicer, oven, TV, lights and coffee machine. More connection options, easier expansion. Every kilowatt hour adapts to your family's growing needs. ZenGuard, multiple layers of protection for home safety. PowerHub, the core of home energy management. One installation, whole house energy deployment. Easily compatible with connected home devices. Even during a power outage, Lucas's home energy system keeps running steadily. The kitchen is still filled with warmth and aroma.
And happy birthday, Emma!
The living room is still full of laughter. Whole home energy, fully in control. Returns keep rising. Truly worry less. Truly save more. Truly simple, safe and convenient. SolarFlow 4000 Mix AC Plus. Mix is the real max. Zendure, the global pioneer of plug-in HEMS.